guys, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Learn and Earn team for today's session. We are always chasing something, trying to find something, or busy doing something, or just after something, right? We all take so much care of our health, maintain physical health, but we are doing the same thing with our mental health as well. We are not, right? Yeah, most of you will be thinking about it just right now. But guys, we can be physically healthy only if we have a proper mental health and happiness about mental health. The tips and tricks to maintain it and all other things related to it. Without any further delay, let us start it right away. I would like to hand over this session to my friend as she would brief out all these things to you.
Okay, thank you, Kamilu. Hello, all. First of all, I would like to describe what is mental health. So you guys have been thinking that what they are going to do it today. So what they will explain about mental health. What is there to talk about mental health? So these kind of questions may rise in your mind. So first of all, what is mental health? It refers to your emotional and psychological well-being. Means good mental health helps you lead a relatively happy and healthy life. I repeat it again. Good mental health helps you lead relatively happy and healthy life. In this one sentence, you can see that our whole life is in this one sentence, I think, from my point. Because if your mental health is good, you live a happy life. From our school days now, they always teach us how to get a job, how to earn, how to study well. So these are the things we've been seeing from since our childhood, right? But none of them teach us how to live a happy life, how to live a stress-free life. We have been still questioning ourselves. We are left alone in our difficulties, in our hardships. We are left alone. We've been questioning ourselves whether am I happy or not? Am I living a stress-free life? Am I happy? So these kind of questions are raising in ourselves. I'm going to list you some 8 points, okay? In these 8 points, you will get to know that how to lead a happy life, stress-free life, how to control your, all your stress, anxieties. So these 8 points will help you to lead them. Okay, I'll start with the first point. First is listen to constructive things. Constructive things means in sense, if someone is criticizing you, so take it in a constructive way. It may helps you to build yourself. So take it in the positive way. If someone is criticizing you or teasing you, you shouldn't worry about that. Like he's teasing me, she's teasing me. So you shouldn't break that. You have to take that in a positive way. You have to raise from there. Next is exercise. Exercise. This is also connected with your mental health. As we have seen many doctors advising us to exercise daily to keep a stress-free life. Exercise not only helps to lose your weight, but also your stress, I say. So body and mind is also related with exercises. And what are the causes which leads to have stress and anxieties? Are mental health illness, is trauma, loneliness, poverty, neglection, and then stress, losing job. In this COVID lockdown, I've seen many people, they are losing their job, they are losing their close ones. These things are paving way for them to become mentally ill, mentally sick. So, and next comes is affirmations. Affirmation is something you are keep on repeating one thing. You keep on repeating the same thing again and again. Automatically, you're giving the energy to that so that it will happen. You're believing by yourself. If you are saying this, no, I'm afraid of this, I'm scared of this, whether this will happen or not. If this happen, what I will do. Like that, we are giving all the negative energy to that particular thing, negative thing, and we are boosting it. So instead of giving a negative affirmations, just give the positive affirmations like, yes, this all will get sorted, okay, I'll be happy, this is not the end, definitely I'm going to bounce back again. So you have to give a positive affirmations. This will also keep your mental health well. And next is good habits. You can ask me how good habits is associated with this mental health. See, good habits are like praying, talking well, using all good words. These and all come under good habits. This is even related with your mental health. So you have to practice good habits. You have to pray daily. If at all not daily, at least with thrice you have to do that. No, you have to ask what are the wishes you have. You have to ask them. You have to make them, and this will help to increase your mental health. The next is food. Okay, this is my favorite part, literally, and I guess all of us favorite part is food. Food is also related with our mental health. How? If I am sad, for example, if I am sad, what I'll do is definitely I'll just open in YouTube. I'll see all the biryani videos, all the chicken, all some items which I like, whichever I like, I'll see them. So what it will do means automatically it relaxes me. It helps me to be calm. So these things also will help to have a good mental health. And in food you can have a healthy diet also. So you can follow your healthy diet. You can eat all greens, vegetables. It will keep yourselves very healthy. And next is keeping your mind fresh. This is very important thing. What I mean it fresh means take all the grudges from your mind. If someone is not close to you, you don't like him or her, or same way vice versa, they are also not liking you. What you'll do is don't develop grudge in your mind. She's becoming like that, she's being like that, so I should do that in return. So these things we should not have in our mind, okay? And next, I know that is naturally it's associated with us. We are sometimes doing that, I know. But remember one thing, coin has two sides. Whatever may be their situation, so that they are reacting like that. So we have to think from their situation, and we have to analyze. Okay, let her situation may be like this. So she might have done this because of her situation. So we have to understand her like that. You have to think. So you have to detox your mind, keep your mind fresh. Whenever you go to bed, before going to bed, throw all your negativities, all your grudges away, and sleep and have a good sleep. Next is good relationships. Good relationship means most of people, I think around 18 to 23, this age group guys, all are affected because of relationships. So we see people saying that I'm affected and I have a breakup, I've gone through these things, I lost my sleep. They will say that I got dark circles, acne, blah blah. Okay, these are all because of a relationship, bad relationship you have with them. If you're finding that they are not, they don't deserve you, they are not up to the mark, your mental health is affected by them, just move away from them. Nothing in this world is greater than your mental health. I say, if you are finding such guy or a girl, please move away from them. You need your own independence. You have to keep your mind healthy. So don't get trapped with those relationships. In Tamil they say quote, what means உன் நண்பன் யார் என்று சொல், நீ யார் என்று சொல்கிறேன், which means tell me who is your friend, I'll describe you. So what they are saying is, by seeing your friends, they'll describe you. So your relationship with, not only the relationship means boyfriend or girlfriend, it is also a best friends, whatever the relationship may be, you have to be with a good relationship. And next is set goals. I think I almost covered all 7 points. At last is set goals. So after all this, you have to set a goal. You have to aim something big. You have to run behind it. So automatically you will be concentrating on a single thing. So definitely you won't be distracted or diverted by any other such things. Like I said, relationships, bad relationship. So if you have a goal, you'll be completely running behind that. So I would like to again recall the points. First, I said about constructive things, okay? Be it positive constructive things. And next is exercise, affirmations, positive affirmations, and next is good habit. Food, keep your mind fresh. So you have to clean your mind, and next is good relationship and setting the goal. You can ask me at the beginning. I said that none of us teach how to be happy in our life. So I say happiness is it worth more than your job. You may ask me whether your happiness will pay my bill. You can ask like that. But yes, if you are happy, you can pay anything. That's from my point. That's my point. If you are happy, no, you can even do anything in your life. Only nowadays, we are expecting to be happy. All the students nowadays in this lockdown, no, we all are stressed. We are from morning to evening we are attending the classes, whether we understood it or not, but we are very stressed up. So we have to think only one thing. Whenever any hard situation comes, no, this is not the end. I know it's hard now, but help others who is undergoing the same situation. For example, if I am in a bad situation, I want to share to someone else, means I'll call to Varshni. I'll call and I'll be talking something, but she will say that this too shall pass, so don't lose your heart. Like that, she'll be consoling me. So you too have to open your heart, talk with your friends. If at all, you can even text us. Learn and team is always there for you. You can just leave a message there. We are there to talk with you. Okay, if you are going to the same struggle, advise anyone who are going like you, the same thing what they are undergoing. Advise them. From that, you will also you will get some energy from that. You don't lose your mind. I would like to give an example, small example, but it's funny, but yet it's very good example. How many of you here will like Pani Puri? Just tell me, how many of them here likes Pani Puri? I think most of you like Pani Puri, yeah? Am I right? Okay, I'm getting very immediate response from you all. Thank you. Okay, never mind. From Pani Puri, you can... yes, Varshni, me too. From this Pani Puri, we can learn that don't lose hope. Sometimes when life breaks you, it also fills you with that good things. Whenever, if life breaks you, it fills you with good things. What I'm actually trying to say is, Pani Puri, in that Pani, in that Puri you are putting a hole and then you're filling that with masala. That masala is all the good things that's going to happen. Okay, and then you're filling it with the Pani, which is very yummy. So whenever you're getting any breakdown in your life, remember, your life is going to be filled with many happiness and blessings. So that's what I would like to say now. And yes, I think I have covered many points. So mental health is very, very important. So if you are very sad, or if you're going through any breakup, please DM us. We are there to console you. Yes, that's what. Okay, I'm ending it by now. Tamilun, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Thanks, Vala, for the wonderful session. And as we all know that this COVID is also affecting our mental health a lot. But trust me, this is all not gonna stay long. This too shall pass. Don't lose hope and try to find your own happiness. If you feel like sharing something and there is no one to talk to, just leave us an email or drop us a DM. We'll try to connect with you as soon as we can. Stay safe and take care, and thank you all for joining the session. Email ID will be shared to you in the YouTube channel and also in our Instagram page. Thank you.
Thank you.